The following are examples of linear equations. Welcome to Magic. Today's topic, linear equation. First, we have to know what is a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation where the highest exponent of the variable is 1. So here is 6 example, and we have to simplify or try to solve this linear equation. Let's start. Question 1. 2y minus 3 equals to 7. Here y is a variable and the power or exponent is 1. That's why this is a linear equation. We have to find out the value of y. So first, 2y minus 3 plus 3 equals to 7 plus 3. We can write add 3 both sides, right? Then here is 2y equals to minus 3 plus 3 out, 7 plus 3 is a 10. Now we can divide both sides by 2. 2y by 2 equals to 10 by 2. We can write divide both sides by 2. Therefore, we can get easily the value of y, which is 10 divided 2 is a 5. So our result is 5. Okay, very simple. Next, number 2. Here is 2c equals to c minus 8. Here variable is c and exponent also 1. So in this case, in right side here is c and left side 2c, but we have to find out the value of c. So we can write 2c minus c equals to c minus 8. We can write subtract what? C. Subtract c both side. Subtract by c, তাই না? Subtract by c both side. So 2c minus c will be c, and here plus c minus c out. Our result is minus 8. Very simple. Okay, so number 1 and number 2 out. Our plan to solve these 6 math by this video. Number 3, here is 3 equals to 1 minus 2c. So we have to find out the value of c. So first we can write like, we just keep a variable one side. So we can write 3 minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1 minus 2c. So here is 2 equals to plus 1 minus 1 out. So here is minus 2c. Now we can divide both sides by minus 2. So here is 2 divide minus 2 equals to minus 2c divide minus 2, right? So in sub note we can write here subtracted by minus 1 both sides. Actually this is not minus 1, this is 1, and here we can write divide both sides by minus 2. Okay, so here 2 and 2 out, result will be minus 1, and here minus 2 and minus 2 once we divide, here is only c. So look, a equals to b or b equals to a is the same, right? So this one we can write c equals to minus 1. This is our answer. Very simple. Okay, So number 3 done. Number 4, 4b plus 5 equals to minus 7. So this one, 4b plus 5 minus 5 equals to minus 7 minus 5. Minus 5 added both sides, right? Look, a plus minus 5 or a minus 5 is the same thing. So we are adding minus 5 both sides. Therefore, plus 5 minus 5 out, here is 4b equals to minus 12. Now we will divide both sides by 4. 4b by 4 and here minus 12 by 4. What I write? Divide both sides by 4. Okay, so here is 4 and 4 out, b equals to 12 divided 4 is a 3, so here is minus 3. This is our answer. Okay, so b equals to minus 3. Number 4 done. Number 5, minus 3y equals to 0. So this one is a very simple thing. Minus 3y divide minus 3 equals to 0 by minus 3. Divide both sides by minus 3, right? So here is only 3 and equals to 0. The property law of 0, we know once we divide 0 by any number, the result will be 0. So this is our answer, which is 0. Number 6 and today's last question. 16y plus 4 equals to minus 10. So this one, first 16y plus 4 minus 4 equals to minus 10 minus 4. Subtract by 4, or we can say add both sides by minus 4 is a same thing. So plus 4 minus 4 out, here is 16y equals to minus 14. So what can we do now? Now we will divide both sides by 16 because we have to find out the value of y. Y is a variable. So 16y divide 16 equals to minus 14 by 16. We can write divide both sides by 16. Okay, so 16 and 16 once we divide, we will get only y, and here is minus 14 by 16. Here we can divide both part. This fraction we will divide by 2. So 14 divided by 2 will be 7, 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So our answer is minus 7 by 8. This is our answer. So no more today, we are trying to solve 6 math based on a linear equation, which is very important for our any kinds of competitive examination around the world. Please keep practice, and if you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. My channel name MathJip, you will get lots of things from here. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Next video we will discuss lots of things about equation.